How to enable new payment methods using Stripe. Hey everyone, welcome. We hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. So basically, all I'm going to show you in this video is how to make sure you activate the new payment methods that you want to use for your Stripe and how easy it is for you to do that. Now, the first step, which I don't have ready to go here, is making sure that you have your account verified and ready to go first. So just go ahead and make sure you fill in all the information needed to make sure that your account is verified and that you can actually continue doing this. In my case, I'm just going to actually have to do it in test mode because I did not finish up my account. So yeah, but for you, you would want to actually do so. So this is step one, and it is very essential. And now that we have this, all we need to do is just go ahead and go to the settings tab on the top right. So just go ahead and click on settings right over here. And once that's done, you just go ahead and click on settings one more time. Now it's going to look a little something like this. And all you need to do is just go ahead and locate the payments settings option. So you will find it within the product and settings, or product settings here. Just go ahead and click on payments. And then you will find yourself in checkout and payment links, payment methods, payment method domain, adaptive pricing and link, and so on. So in that case, you just want to go to the payment methods. Now, it may look a little bit different for you depending on where you are actually living, because in my case, it's going to be different from yours, and it's just going to be a little bit different based on where you're actually living. Because, for example, people in Europe are going to have some different types of payment methods that are available to them, and others don't have that. So it's just going to depend on where you're actually staying. So once you click on payment methods and click on setup, you'll find yourself within this section. So the cards one, it should be active by default. This is pretty much accepting Visa, MasterCard payments, and so on. This is the default. People will always have this. So yeah. Next, we have the wallets. Now, this is going to be where it's going to look a little bit different for you, because right now you only have three, which is Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Link. This is because I'm in this specific country, but for you, it may be a lot different for you. You may have PayPal, you may have, completely different types of payment methods. Anyways, activating them is actually going to be a little bit different with each one, because each one is going to determine exactly the steps that are required for you to activate it. For example, PayPal is very simple. You just need to log into your account and make sure you accept the terms and conditions, connect them, and you're pretty much good to go. For Apple Pay, you would want to just click on the arrow right here, and you would want to read this always. So for each one, you would want to actually read exactly what you need to do. Click on turn on. And if it just happens here for you, it's just going to work. I mean, that's pretty much all you need to do. And also, you would want to configure domains if that's also required. Same goes for Google Pay. Click on the arrow right next to it, see exactly what is required for you to do beforehand. And once you actually do it, you can click on turn on. And again, it's just going to be active for you. Same goes with Link, but Link does actually have more rules that you can create, custom rules and stuff. And again, you just want to read more about it in order to turn it on. Click on turn on once you have done the steps necessary. And that's pretty much all for this video. Now, I did not show you each single step because I did actually had to set up Google Pay, I remember. So it actually did take a little bit of steps in order to actually achieve this for the first time. But you would need to just, follow exactly what they're going to tell you, because each app is different. So I can't really show you each one and how it actually goes. But most likely than not, you can just go and click on turn it on, and it's just going to be turned on. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.